Most photographers walk into a scene like this and completely miss the shot. The light is perfect, the shadows are incredible, but somehow the image still looks boring. But this changed everything in my black and white photography. It's one tiny camera setting that almost nobody uses properly. Look at this scene. Bright light in the alley, deep shadows, beautiful texture in the stone. Now, if I let the camera decide the exposure, this is what happens. Everything gets balanced out. Safe exposure, safe shadows. But safe almost never looks dramatic. And this is what we want for fine art black and white photography. I'm going to take a shot using center weighted metering, and you're going to see how boring it is. Now I'm going to switch over to spot metering. Now instead of the camera reading the whole scene, I meter for a very specific part of the image. Watch what happens when I meter on the highlights. Suddenly the shadows deepen, the textures come alive, and the photograph starts feeling like fine art. The mistake most photographers make: they try to save every shadow. But in black and white photography, darkness is part of the story. When you meter for highlights, you protect the important light and let the shadows create mystery. And this method, guys, completely changed how I photograph streets, doorways, and alleyways, and especially dramatic black and white scenes like this. And now you ask me, does this work for every image? And the answer to that is no. But when you want drama and mood and fine art black and white photographs, then this technique is a complete game changer. So everyone, try this when you're out shooting some street photography. Switch to spot metering and meter for the highlights, and watch how dramatically your images change. And the best part is there's hardly any editing needed for this sort of photography. And if black and white fine art photography is your thing, then subscribe, because this is only the beginning.